In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of becoming a Salesforce partner using their official website. This journey is essential for those looking to leverage the vast resources and opportunities that come with being associated with Salesforce. Salesforce partners are integral to the global ecosystem, and getting started is just a few clicks away. To begin, open your favorite web browser and go to partner.salesforce.com. This is the official Salesforce Partners portal, the main hub where you'll find all necessary resources and steps to become a partner. It's the gateway to a wealth of training, support, and a community that drives business growth. If you aren't familiar with this portal, it's quite intuitive. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be your main resource as a partner. Once you're on the portal, the next step is straightforward. Look for the Become a Salesforce Partner link and click on it. This link is usually prominently displayed because Salesforce actively encourages new partners to join. When you click the link, you'll be directed to a page that outlines the many benefits of joining the Salesforce Partner Program. These benefits include access to exclusive resources, tools, and support systems designed to enhance your technical skills and improve customer engagement. After you've reviewed the information on the Become a Salesforce Partner page, the next move is to initiate the application process. Here, you'll typically need to provide some basic information about your organization and agree to the terms and conditions of the partnership. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date to avoid any delays in your application process. While filling out your application, pay close attention to the details requested. Salesforce might ask for your company's core competencies, areas of expertise, and possibly your business's registration details. Having this information handy will make the process seamless and efficient. If at any point you're unsure about a section, Salesforce provides ample resources and help links to guide you through each step. Once you've completed the application, it's time to submit. Congratulations, you've taken the first steps toward becoming a Salesforce partner. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the Salesforce team to review your application. They typically communicate their decisions promptly and will reach out to you via the contact information you provided. In closing, joining the Salesforce Partner Program can open new doors for your business, providing you with unique opportunities to collaborate with a wide network of other partners and professionals. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates on your application status, and prepare to explore the many benefits and opportunities that come with being part of this vibrant community. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in beginning your journey as a Salesforce partner. For more tips and guidance, be sure to explore further resources and stay tuned for more insightful videos.